Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I have some Born Pretty gel polishes. This is their glass bead cat eye gel polish set. It comes with 6 different cat eye colors. I will have it linked in the description box if you're interested in checking them out. But I'm just going to do a swatching in this video and just kind of chit chat about the cat eye gels. I am still a huge cat eye gel lover. I feel like the trend is kind of dying down a little bit, but I honestly feel like cat eyes are here to stay. Like, I feel like for the foreseeable future, people will be doing the cat eye nails, and I'm just here for it. But I feel like I've done a few videos in the past showing some of the Born Pretty cat eye gels, and I've always ranted and raved about how much I love their cat eye gels. But this set made me realize that maybe I don't love all of them. But I'm starting off swatching my first nail. I'm just doing a thin coat. And honestly, this first color, I really felt like even without the cat eye effect, I feel like this is a really pretty color. I feel like it kind of reads as like a jelly color. And I don't know if you all have seen people doing like the glass nail designs where it's like different glass bottles or glass fixtures, and people are using like 3D gel to kind of create it on top of a jelly color. I feel like this type of color would work really good with that. But anyway, I'm just going in with my magnet and just kind of moving it around. I always go for like that center cat eye look where it's super concentrated right in the center of the nail. That's my favorite type of cat eye effect. I really was never a huge fan of like the heart cat eye or just like the line going across the nail. I always love that super bright center glow, so that's what I'm going for. So I'm just going to play around with the magnet until I get it exactly how I want it, and I am going to go in and do a second coat once I cure this first coat in the lamp. So this is just me finishing off that second coat, and I just feel like it turned out so bright and pretty. That's why I love doing 2 coats with my cat eye gels. But now I'm just moving on to that second color. All of these are kind of dark, like they definitely give more fall than spring, which of course spring is rapidly approaching. I still love these, but I feel like these would be much better in the fall and winter. But yeah, I'm just gonna go in and do my first coat and kind of play around with the cat eye effect. But I really feel like these could be used as just some really nice jelly colors if that was the type of look you were going for. But once I started playing around with this one, I feel like this was the moment when I started feeling like maybe I'm not the biggest fan of this cat eye set. And I feel like it's just because I am really not a fan, I'm realizing, of the glitter cat eye gels. I really do prefer the more like bright I don't even know what to call it actually, but it's like some of them have the glitter effect in it, and then some of them are just like that more shimmery bright cat eye. It's like a smoother, more velvety type of cat eye. Hopefully y'all get what I'm saying. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like once I did this now, I was just like, yeah, the glitter cat eyes are not for me. And I guess I was just a little bit confused why this set had both options, but then again, if you're someone who likes both, then maybe this is perfect for you. So moving on to the next color, I feel like this one was really hard to see the cat eye effect in. It just was such a dark base color that the glitter cat eye effect was just not as prominent. Then again, I feel like maybe if I had a different magnet, it would show up a little bit better, maybe a stronger magnet. And then also because I'm always going for like that center cat eye effect, maybe that's not the best effect to go for when you're using the glitter cat eyes. So yeah, I don't know, I just was trying to play around with it. But yeah, it's like you can really barely see it, but it's this nail is like a green center cat eye, so that's what I was going for. I was really trying to get that green color concentrated in the center, but it was just so faint you could barely see it. Now this color was like my favorite from this set. I just love how velvety and smooth it is, and this was a super pigmented color too, whereas the other ones kind of felt more like jelly colors. This one was much more full coverage, so I just went in with a thin coat of that, and then I'm just going to use the magnet, and you'll see how bright that cat eye effect is with this color. And this color was my second favorite. Again, I feel like this gives more like holiday season. I feel like this would have been perfect for Christmas or even for Valentine's Day. It's just that perfect like ruby red color. But yeah, I'm just going in with that even coat starting off. And honestly, sometimes I wonder, is it a waste of time to use the cat eye magnet on both layers? Should you just go in and do one base layer and just fully cure that in the lamp and then go in with the magnet on the second coat? I don't know. That's something I have to try the next time I have some cat eye gels. Now for the last color, I feel like of all of the glitter cat eye nails in this set, this one was the most prominent cat eye. Like I feel like it showed up really nice, and I honestly feel like it's just because of the red color that it is. It was just easier to see it, whereas the other two had more of like a black base color, so it was just kind of harder to see it. But yeah, this one turned out really nice. I was able to get a really pretty effect with it. But yeah, that is my honest review of the Born Pretty Cat Eye gel set, the glass bead set. I am a huge fan of some of their other cat eye gels. I've done a few videos for them, so I will leave those linked in the cards if you're interested in checking out those other reviews. If you're like me and you prefer that more like velvety cat eye effect, then you'll definitely like the ones that I'm going to link in the cards. But yeah, let me know if I am doing something wrong with these cat eye magnets. Maybe I need to work on my technique, because I know I am not the best with the cat eye effect. I just always do like the same exact effect every time. So yeah, let me know if y'all think that's something I need to work on, or if you have any suggestions, comment them down below. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off of this video. At the end, I really just kind of laid out the colors just so you can see what that final look was. But yeah, let me know what y'all think of it in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.